Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's the winter, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to start wearing some pants instead of shorts all the time. So I picked up these. Oops. These are, well, it's funny, the tag comes separate than the pants. But these are some burgundy sweat pants they're comfy. They feels like, you know, just super soft, and it's got some thickness to it. I don't know if you can tell the thickness from here, but it is got some thickness and good heavy duty. Let's see, it is 100% polyester. I got size large, and it's got pockets all over it. You can kind of see they're kind of like cargo sweatpants. Let me go ahead and put them on, and you guys can watch, see what I look like in it. I got a size large. I usually wear like a medium. I don't know why I got large this time, but I'm gonna leave my shirt tucked in and aim you guys down over here so you can see me wearing it. Let's see over here. Okay, so let me back up. Okay, so there we go. So this is me wearing it. It's got string tie, so you can tie it up here. I'm about 5'10" and 180 pounds or so that'll give you an idea of it. It's got good pockets here. I could put my phone or anything in there, and that'll be fine. It's got some pockets in the back, not super deep, but it's got some there. Then it's got these pockets on the sides here, so good place to put snacks. If I'm going somewhere and I need to go to the movies or something like that, and I can bring some snacks in there. So that's good. And these are comfortable, super soft and comfortable. On the outside, it's, you know, it looks smooth. And on the inside, it's like a sweatpants, you know, just regular sweatpants. You're going to be that soft. So these are comfortable and good and a good length. So, you know, I said I was 5'10". I could wear shoes, and these are going to fit me good. It's got a little bit of a cuff, it's stretchy at the bottom here, so it's not going to go under my shoe. And I like these. I think I look decent in them for being casual and wearing them around the house. These are gonna look great. So thumbs up, I like it a lot.